Hi YouTube. Today I'm going to show you how to make a control panel in Visual Basic 2008 Express Edition. First thing you want to do is create a new project. Alright, it'll come up, it'll look like this. Add 5 buttons. Put them all in order like this. Name the form. Do minimize. Alright. Go up to form border style. Go to fix tool window. Make the box a lot smaller. Just looks better. Alright, there's the box right there. Name the first button shutdown. Make the second button log off. Make the third button restart. Make the fourth button hibernate. And make the fifth button abort. First thing you want to do is double click shutdown. I'll have the code in the description. It's pretty simple. Copy that, put it right there. That one's S, because that stands for shutdown. Log off, paste it, change the S to an L. Double click restart, change that one to an R. Double click hibernate, change this one to an H, and then change this one to an A. So it should look like this when it's done. So you just run it. Here it is right here. Shut down. Windows will shut down in less than 1 minute. Then you can click abort, so it was canceled. And if you want to, you can just test out the rest of the buttons. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching. Comment, rate, subscribe.